first test fit.
Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is a sad day in the parish. We're about to take the Passat on its final drive. It's going up the black line. Stefan's going to pull the engine out and get it prepped to go into the Caddy. So sad times, but good times. But means we're making progress. One step closer for the Caddy being on the road. So let's go and do it. Look at all them lights. This car's a great engine, but it's starting to look and feel tired everywhere else, so it is the perfect donor for the Caddy. Had it, what, 3 years now? 4 years maybe? And it's been pretty much my work van. It's had bikes in the back, it's been towing stuff, I've slept in it. So it's gonna be sad to see it go, but it's going to the greater good. Okay, so back at home at the home garage. I've just been to see fill it air. Not only do you just get the dents out of my exhaust, it's looking good, but it's also blasted the R32 brakes that I dropped off to him. Got the brakes off the 3.2 Passat, and they look like they've been stored under the sea. I'll stick a photo here, but yeah, they're in dire need of a refurb. We can paint those up, make them look fresh, give the rest of the caliper a good clean, and then we should have some fresh, cool looking brakes. So yeah, let's do it. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. Pip said he didn't pretty it up.
That's just not pretty. It's a quality EGR delete there.
It is. Do you know what I've just done?
Mechanic. So there we go, the first test fit. They are 20 by 8.5 BBS CIRs, ET42. It's kind of about as big as you can go without modifying. the backs of doors or spacing out rails on these, so I have a bit of an issue where the side door will hit the rear wheel. So as you can see, going back, still got a good bit of room there for manoeuvring. Obviously this has got to come down a lot, so that will narrow up a little bit, but yep, happy enough with that fitment wise. So we'll get them refurbished, and yeah, let's get on to doing some actual work now. Wingtip removed, just drilled out the spot welds, beat it with a hammer. There we go. Forgot to film most of this, but we have one corner on. So we have the wingtips here. The old ones have been, spot welds have been drilled out. New tips in there. Had to go a bit further back than I had thought at first, but everything seems to line up now. Wings, obviously the brackets don't match up here or here at bolt holes, so we'll have to make something maybe just for there to support that. Top bolt goes in fine, and there's all good, and the sort of the wing fitment is all decent. Same around the headlight, and obviously we've got the slam panel on now as well. So halfway there, do the other side, and then we can line the bumper up and see how it fits. Okay then, much more productive day than I thought it was going to be. So engine, turbo is back, it's ready to go on. Stefan went through the engine, degreased it, timing belt, water pump. Next thing to do is the clutch and flywheel that to go in, and then that's the engine pretty much ready to go back into the Caddy. Few bits and pieces to swap over from the old engine still. Onto the van itself. You can see now I have the entire Touran front end on, bar the grille, and it's looking pretty good. Some of the panel gaps here aren't quite as nice as I would like. You might be able to see it there. There's a bit of a step up into that with the bonnet, so we need to adjust that still. But yes, front end is on. It fits well, and I have the wingtips in, cut out as well. The new ones ready to go in. And I think Connor's going to come tomorrow and weld them for me. So as you can see, we're in there. They just need welded up. Same on this side. Driver's side now, absolute nightmare. The I don't know if you can see here, but this support goes over the top of some of the spot welds, which that panel actually goes the entire way up that chassis leg. So it was a bit of a nightmare. I had to cut a few things out of it, but yeah, I think we're good now. There you go, everything roughly in place, and we also got a test fit of the wheels. So going to leave that there today. Back in the morning, and we'll weld this up. Good to go. Speaking of things that needs welded, there's Brown the S14. Fire.
Answer.
We have both the health and the safety.
I just what I'm all about.
Front end is welded up. big thank you to Connor. He's going to take his Mark II home with him now. And yeah, I'm going to go back in here and look at getting the front end fixed up. Okay then, so another day complete on the Caddy. We done the front end conversion for the Touran and got it all welded up. Spent more time actually trying to get the panels aligned, getting the bonnet aligned than anything else, but it's looking pretty good now. One of the wings isn't great, so one side of it doesn't line up as well as I would like, but I'm gonna put fresh wings on it anyway, so I'm not too bothered. And yeah, around the headlights and stuff. It's all sitting good, grill's in, and bonnet works. So yeah, gotta clean up that area, paint it, get some seam sealer on, but that's pretty much front end swap done. Hoping next week the engine's gonna possibly go in. And yeah, I'm also gonna be working on it and trying to fit this. A nice Mark III Touran dashboard. So that'll definitely clean up the inside, because as you can see, it's a bit manky and a bit busted looking. So anyway, that will do for this video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.